Hi students, good morning. Today I am starting a new lesson from the chemistry section. So that is coal and petroleum. The lesson coal and petroleum is mainly concerning to the natural resources. I think all of you are well known about the meaning of the natural resources. Natural resources are the materials or the things those are naturally available and are the source of wealth to us. And here in the title of the topic, coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum, these are the two different natural sources. Coal is available in the earth crust in the form of solid state, and petroleum is available in the liquid state. And before coming to now the detailed study of the coal and petroleum, let us now come to know the little information regarding the natural resources. The definition is what the natural resources are the things or the materials those are naturally available and are the source of wealth to us or to a nation. These natural resources are of mainly two types. One is inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Basically, the natural resources, as the name only indicates, these are not all manufactured by the humans. These are available in the nature itself, and whatever these natural resources, these are of two types. One is the inexhaustible natural resources, another one is the exhaustible natural resources. And now let us study what is meant by inexhaustible natural resources and what are the examples for the inexhaustible natural resources, and what is meant by exhaustible natural resources and what are the examples for the exhaustible natural resources. First, inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are the natural resources which are very unlimited in the nature. These are available in unlimited in the nature itself and are not likely to be exhausted by the human activities and by other activities. These are available in the unlimited in the nature and not going to be buried in the future. So examples for the inexhaustible natural resources are the sunlight, air, water. So these are the examples for the inexhaustible natural resources. And now let us study the exhaustible natural resources. The meaning of the exhaustible is completely opposite to the inexhaustible natural resources, and inexhaustible and exhaustible, these are the opposite words, anonyms. And now let us study what is meant by exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources are the natural resources. These are available in the nature in a very little quantity in nature itself, available in very limited quantity and are likely to be exhausted or becomes empty in the future in nature itself. So and now what are the examples for the exhaustible natural resources are? The first one is the wildlife, petroleum, natural gas. So these are the main examples for the exhaustible natural resources, and these exhaustible natural resources are limited in the nature and are likely to be buried in the future. So these are the two different types of the natural resources. The one is the exhaustible natural resources and another one is the inexhaustible natural resources. And here what we have to remember here in the types of the natural resources is that we have to make use of the exhaustible natural resources for our day-to-day life activities to a little quantity whenever there is a need. So then only we have to make use of the exhaustible natural resources, just because these are available in the nature in very limited quantity and where there is a possibility, so there we have to make use of the inexhaustible natural resources in place of the exhaustible natural resources. The example is that and electric vehicles instead of petrol and diesel vehicles. So for this reason we have to come to know what is meant by exhaustible natural resources and what is meant by inexhaustible natural resources. Okay, and as a point of exam, as in point of the exam, so what we have to concentrate in this natural resources is that the definition of the natural resources, examples of the natural resources, types of the natural resources, inexhaustible and exhaustible natural resources, and a 2-mark question is the differences between the exhaustible natural resources and the inexhaustible natural resources. The question will be of 2 marks for you in the examination. So whatever now I have given the explanation on the natural resources, these are the main things that should be remembered and be perfect in point of the examination. Thank you.